Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm doing a video. It's actually the 4th of July right now. It's really early in the morning. I'm tired, but I haven't uploaded a video in a while. But I actually did have a video that I was going to upload. But somehow it got deleted off my phone. It was an Injustice video. But yeah. Anyways, we are going to be reacting to Giant Dart versus Fridge from 45 meters. That's insane. Like, absolutely freaking insane, bro. That is actually 135 feet. Which, if you times that by 12, I'm not going to do the math, so you guys can do that. But anyways, let's get right on into the video.
Boys, Giant Dart, it's back. On the menu today, Derek. Fridge. Yeah.
Okay, so these British men run a YouTube channel where they use a giant dart to completely like destroy stuff. We're actually gonna get just into like where they're about to drop in stuff, which is like
Round one. Ding! It's like the microwave, the timer finishing. Ding!
Heron.
right now they're going to be actually doing a microwave, which is gonna be really cool. So let's see this.
You do that. Just a little fella. Don't expect him to put up much of a fight. Just gonna crumple him.
We're gonna leave this on the top. I reckon put it inside. Oh, inside.
Yeah, like that.
See, they put an X marks the spot on it. They're actually putting it inside.
Right.
Just dropped it. Holy crap.
Oh! Got it! And he got the...
Holy moly. You can see how the paint just, like the paint can just splattered. Now, if you guys are wondering why I'm talking so, like, quiet, it's because, like I just said a little bit ago, it's, really early in the morning, and, like, my entire family's sleeping right now, so, plus I kinda got a summer cold going on, but let's just get into watching it again.
Paint!
I put that right on the X. Absolutely blitzed the thing.
Stanford, that is a good time. 3, and it's just gonna start moving up. 1, 2, 3, go.
See, they have to like put like this rope. I don't know what's pulling it, but it's probably like a machine or something, because that looks like it's solid not aluminum, like steel, solid steel. So it probably weighs a good like 50 to 100 pounds. And I'm only 104 the last time I got weighed.
Is that not...
Ooh, crap. I just dropped it on something
Yeah,
else.
I'm putting all
now they're
eggs
dropping
in
it onto
narrow
the dresser.
I'm gonna put mine in here, in this little sneaky snake. Man, can you imagine being that bloke? Very much.
Alright, they're dropping it now.
And 3, 2, 1. Bombs away. Yeah!
Holy crap, that exploded.
Both can.
Bro, that was just like, alright, so it's like a box. Well, it is, basically. It's just like everywhere.
The thing is just falling apart. Oh! Man, got the...
Like, it's insane, though. Like, those fins on the back, like, make it so that it's not, like, all, like, so it's like, going down, so that it's not, like, going like this. It keeps it, but it's, like, it's still, like, wobbles, but it, like, goes straight down for the most part.
Right on. Yeah, and I'm talking to you. Right there. If this video gets to 500...
Right, TV in position. Here we go. Stanford's got his barricade. Look at that.
I think they're gonna do this TV and then the refrigerator.
Yeah.
And Heron, Are you ready?
Good to go, mate.
All right, sweet as custard, mate.
Start this TV in 3.
Oh, stupid ad. Go away. Alright, we're back.
1, drop.
Ooh.
Yep.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Bro,
Mate, that was good. Big thud.
fantastic.
that went straight through it. And those old TVs are like extremely tough. I actually have one that's right there. And those things are tough.
Tape job.
Yeah, really. Special.
Alright,
It's gonna get
they're doing the fridge now. This is gonna be awesome.
messy. It's gonna be good.
They're putting like a bunch of spray paint and like juices and fruits and
I
stuff
put
in there.
next on there for me too. Yeah, beauty.
We have got a shelf that's got nothing on it, Gonson. Yeah, no, we're getting there. We are getting.
Why you gotta waste all that soda though? Like that's a good like 20-30 bucks of soda right there.
This is one.
That bit of metal. Yeah. In that.
Get the big fridgie in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Right before it hits. Look at this. It is insane. It's like not even a second away to completely destroying it. Like you can see it right there. Alright, I'm gonna like put my webcam. It's like right there. Oh, look how close it is now. Alright, let's get a full view of it now.
Nah, he is compelling.
The big ticket, the big fridgie in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, it's going.
Where is it? Where is it? It did stop.
Giant dart has been stopped, I think.
It stopped it. It didn't go all the way through. I honestly thought it was gonna go the entire freaking way through. Oh my goodness. Alright. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm trying to post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Anyways, hope you have an amazing 4th of July. Peace.